going on here today?
Pouring cement, as promised. You got my $1,000?
Cash.
Good. Right here.
I gotta make sure it dries by 5
It's
o'clock.
gonna dry. It'll be dry by 4 p.m. tonight. Maestro, ahora no quiere pagar.
No, sí tiene
no
que
quiere
pagar.
pagar.
No,
Dígale,
sí.
maestro,
No,
tiene
sí.
que pagar.
Sí,
Chin,
money.
Yeah, no es city, man. David, you been baptized?
Yes, but not this kind. What are you up to?
David, you gotta get baptized, my friend.
What
Come
are you
here.
up to?
Come here.
Oh,
There,
great.
you've been baptized.
Now I have to take
You're
a shower.
original contractor now.
Now I have to take a shower.
Oh, damn it, sorry.
The boss is working. I need him on video.
Come on, David. There you go, just like that.
I need to go back to the gym.
No. Come on. You just keep going. You gotta brush all the water out that way. There you go, David. There you go. Yes. Perfect. That's the way you do it, David.